Ever wondered what makes a server truly hum with efficiency? It's often the unsung heroes, like this Hewlett Packard Enterprise hard drive cage, the 536,630.001. This isn't just a piece of metal. It's the backbone for your 2.5-inch drives, ensuring they're securely housed and ready to perform. Weighing in at a little over a pound, it feels surprisingly robust, a testament to HPE's build quality. You're looking at a non-hot plug cage, which means you'll need to power down your server for any drive swaps. But for many setups, that's a perfectly acceptable trade-off for the stability it offers. The primary function here is simple, to hold your hard drives. But it does so with a precision that's crucial for server environments. A loose drive or a poorly seated connection can lead to data loss or system instability, and this cage is designed to prevent exactly that. It's compatible with HP hard drive cages, so if you're already in the HPE ecosystem, this is a natural fit. The 2.5-inch form factor is standard for many high-performance server drives, and this cage accommodates them perfectly. Installation, while not something we can demonstrate visually here, is generally straightforward for anyone familiar with server hardware. It slots into place, and the drive's secure within it, ready to be connected. The build quality feels solid, no flimsy plastic here, just durable metal that inspires confidence. It's the kind of component you install and then forget about, which is precisely what you want from server infrastructure. It just works, reliably and without fuss. For anyone looking to expand their storage or replace an existing cage in an HPE server, the 536,630.001 is a solid choice. It's a no-frills, highly functional piece of hardware that does its job exceptionally well. It might not be the most glamorous component, but its importance in maintaining a stable and efficient server environment cannot be overstated. It's a small investment for significant peace of mind. In the end, the HPE 536,630.001 hard drive cage is a dependable and well-built component that fulfills its purpose admirably. It's a necessary piece for many HPE server configurations, offering secure and stable housing for your 2.5-inch drives.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.